Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
If you run an iOS public beta, you may see instability and unexpected crashes. Removing the beta returns your device to the public release and improves stability. This video teaches 3 clear steps: back up your device, remove the beta profile, and reinstall the public iOS version. You will be ready to restore your data afterward. Follow each step carefully and check your battery and storage before you begin. This prevents data loss and speeds up the reinstall process. Begin by backing up your iPhone to avoid data loss during the downgrade. Use iCloud Backup or a Finder Backup on Mac OS and confirm the backup size and successful completion. Check that your device has at least 20% battery or is connected to a power source before starting. Backups can take 10 to 60 minutes depending on size and connection speed. Verify that photos, messages, and app data are included in the backup. Do not skip this step because you cannot restore missing data later. Open Settings, tap General, then Profiles and Device Management to find the beta profile. Delete the beta profile and confirm removal, then restart your iPhone immediately to clear beta settings. After restart, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest public iOS release when it appears. If the public update does not appear, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to reinstall public firmware in recovery mode. Finally, restore your backup from iCloud or your computer and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.